Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, here to tell you about our latest online self-paced offering, Machinery Lubrication Fundamentals. Machinery Lubrication Fundamentals is an online, self-paced, very interactive, built for adult learners course that will help prepare you for the ICML MLT1 certification. Even if you're not looking for certification, considering the fact that over 50% of rotating equipment failures can be attributed to either precision installation and PM techniques or lubrication issues, this course can help solve a significant number of plant problems, creating your downtime. It goes through everything from understanding friction to viscosity to storage and selection. This course is 5 modules, over 20 hours of instruction, and like I said, prepares you for the ICML MLT1 certification.